Hi, today we are going to learn how to create invitation codes in bulk based on email lists and without them. CM registration allows your users to log in and register to your site via beautiful pop-ups. The bulk email invitation add-on lets you create multiple invitation codes at once by importing a list of emails. In this example use case guide, we'll cover how to create randomized invitation codes and codes based on email lists and send them to your users in bulk. We consider that you have already bought the base plugin and add-on and installed them. For the following steps, the login and registration pop-up has to be properly set up, so check the video for configuring the base plugin first. To create bulk invitation codes, navigate to CM Registration Pro, Bulk Invitations, and click the button Create Invitation Codes. There are 3 ways of creating codes here, so let's first learn about general options and then consider the options for different methods more detailed. Here you can see a form for creating codes. Name of the bulk invitation session, a name that will help you identify the generated list. It will be used in the code title, but not in the code itself. Names are used for organization purposes only. Number of invitation codes. You need to specify how many invitation codes you want to create. Expiration date. Here you can set the last date this invitation code can be used. Leaving it blank or with the default values will make the code usable forever. Users limit. How many times each invitation code can be used. Leave empty to make it unlimited. Require verification. Force or not email verification once using the invitation code. Role. Set the role for the user profile once registering with the invitation code. First way of creating the codes from a CSV file. You can upload a simple CSV file with a list of codes. All the codes must be in a single column, one in each row. The add-on will fetch the information from the table and generate the invitations. Second way, serialized sequence. You can choose the prefix and the number of codes. The add-on will generate a series of invitations with names based on the prefix and the sequence number. Last way, randomly generated. You just choose the number of codes that will be created. They will be completely randomized, making them especially safe. You can create a list of invitation codes for specific emails that can be automatically sent to these users. To do so, click the button Invite users by email on the bulk invitations page. You will see a new screen allowing you to set the bulk invitation rules. You can do the following. Upload the CSV file. The CSV file should include only one column with the user emails. The CSV can have as many emails as you need. Second option, enable it to send email to each user automatically or disable it to just create an invitation code that will be stored in the plugin invitation codes section. Select next option if you want the user to register with the same email the invitation code is sent to. If this is selected, the user will not be able to use the registration code sent to them with any other email than the one you have set. Select the user WordPress role that users will get after a successful registration is made. Set the expiration date for the invitation codes. After this date, the invitation codes will not be valid and cannot be used for registration. Email template. Customize the title and body of the email that will be sent to users you want to invite. You can use HTML and the following shortcodes to add dynamic content. The shortcode invitation code must be in the email. You can also do the following. Save the current message as a template by entering a name for it and clicking the Save button. Choose a template and delete the selected template by clicking the button Remove Saved Template. You can also change the default template of the email in plugin settings under the Email tab. At the end, click the button Create Bulk Invitations. The bulk email invitation codes dashboard allows the admin to check all previously created invitation codes, to check the status of the user registrations or to restore an invitation code that was sent. Once clicking on the Show button, you will get a list of all invitation codes defined by this bulk operation. You can use links that automatically add the invitation code to the registration widget. To do this, add the parameter that you can see on the screen to the end of the registration URL, where code is the invitation code. For instance, let's suppose you want to add the code "Welcome" to your site. To do so, send your new users the link that you can see on the screen. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to create and send multiple invitation codes at once to your users. Thanks for watching the video.